Today we are going to explore and investigate colours. I'm going to show you 3 different experiments and I really hope you're going to give it a go at home. For our experiment number 1, you will need clear glass, large glass or plastic transparent bowl, and jug of water. Now, first of all, you're going to fill up your glass with water. Then we add some blue food colouring. Oops. Give it a mix. Next, we are going to add some yellow food colouring into this jug. Give it a stir. Next, I'm going to place my glass inside this bowl, and then I pour my yellow water in the bowl to surround the glass. And wow, look what happened. When I look through my bowl and a glass against the light, I clearly saw that the bottom half of my glass with a blue liquid changed colour. What colour can you see? What colour did you see? Did you notice that the bottom of the glass turned green? I wonder why. How do you make green? Can anyone remember when we learned about it at school and when we discussed it during circle time last week? That's right, you mix yellow and blue and you get green. I cannot wait to try it with red and yellow. What do you get then? And maybe I'll give it a go with red and blue as well. I think that might turn purple, my favourite colour. For our next experiment, you will need coloured pens, coffee filters or strips of kitchen roll, and you will need some water, maybe glasses or plate. Our next experiment is called chromatography, and during chromatography we will see if we can separate certain colours. I'm going to start by drawing stripes, coloured stripes at the bottom of my kitchen roll. One purple, one that's brown, and this is a really easy experiment to do at home. And one black. You can try all sorts of colours. There you go. Next, we're going to see what happens when we dip these in the water. So what you're going to do, you're going to put your strips of paper in the glasses and you can just bend them over the top while you have a tiny bit of water at the bottom. Now you can already see that my black started separating into many colours. I can see blue and green, and here the brown is all, there is some green on top, but there's also some kind of pinkish colour at the bottom. But let me show you close pictures of these. So here we go. This is my black. Well, yes, I agree, it's not black anymore. I can see blue and green, maybe even some yellow and purple and pink. My next picture is a picture of the experiment when we used coffee filters at school. We drew circles around the coffee filters and then we dipped the middle in some water. Now the coffee filter soaked up the water and separated the colours. I can see blue and pink and purple again. Well, to me, black is not boring anymore. Don't you agree? Great, that was good fun. For my next experiment, you will need a plate, a tiny bit of water and some Skittles. Oh, I just love the colours. But remember, Skittles are a type of sweet. They look great, but they're definitely not great for our teeth. So we're just going to use them for the experiment. And will be to lay the Skittles very nicely around the edge of the plate. Now there are two ways of doing this. You can either do this, like that, and you just push it towards the edge until you have a circle, but that doesn't look so good. You can actually have loads of fun with this. So what I am going to do, I am going to try to see if I can make a pattern with all my colours. So I've got a green, yellow, orange, pink, purple and blue, and then I start again. So green is first, then yellow, then the orange, then pink, purple and blue, and again green and yellow and orange and pink. So now you have a perfect coloured circle alongside the edge of your plate. You need to pour a tiny bit of water in the middle and see what happens. This is one of the best experiments you can do with colours. And you learn the colour names, you can create patterns, and then you have to be quite patient to see when the colours start running towards the middle and create a rainbow. But it's very effective and the outcome is always different and always beautiful. Thank you for watching. I hope you had fun and I hope you give it a go at home. I'll see you soon again. Bye!